Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia XA2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And then we can change font size. Also, we can change display size. Next, we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change color gamut and contrast, adjust white balance between warm, standard, cool, custom, and then we can enable or disable one-handed mode. Next, we can enable or disable smart backlight color control, night light that we can also schedule, we can change lock screen preferences like clocks, enable or disable lockdown option, add users from lock screen, album art, change lock screen message, manage notifications on lock screen, and enable or disable keep notifications on. In the end, we can enable or disable network name and screen saver. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.